Imagine a world where food grows faster, healthier, and with less waste. Where robots milk cows and drones scout for hidden problems in your fields. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of farming, powered by something called AgTech. But is AgTech just a fancy gadget show? Or is it the key to feeding a growing world in a sustainable way? Join us on a journey to explore the fascinating world of AgTech, where tradition meets innovation, and the future of food is taking root. We'll discover how technology is transforming every aspect of farming, from planting to harvest. We'll meet the passionate people behind AgTech, from innovative startups to dedicated farmers. And we'll answer the big questions. Can AgTech truly revolutionize agriculture? Is it a win for everyone? So buckle up, because this is one harvest you won't want to miss. Hit that subscribe button and let's explore the future of farming, one delicious bite at a time. Agriculture has always been intertwined with technology. Remember the first plows? That was AgTech in its simplest form. But the pace of change has accelerated dramatically in recent years. Let's fast forward. The Green Revolution. This period saw the introduction of high-yielding crop varieties, synthetic fertilizers, and pesticides. It increased food production significantly, but also raised concerns about environmental sustainability. The Precision Agriculture Era. This era is marked by the use of data and technology to optimize farming practices. Think GPS-guided tractors, satellite imagery for soil analysis, and automated irrigation systems. Today, AgTech is a vast and ever-evolving field. From tiny sensors in the soil to robots milking cows, it's transforming every aspect of farming. So, why is AgTech such a big deal? Here are some of the key benefits. Increased productivity. AgTech helps farmers squeeze more out of every acre. This is crucial as we face a growing global population and limited land resources. Improved resource management. Sensors and data analysis can help farmers use water, fertilizer, and pesticides more efficiently, reducing waste and environmental impact. Enhanced decision-making. Data-driven insights allow farmers to make informed choices about planting, irrigation, and pest control, leading to healthier crops and better yields. Reduced labor costs. Automation plays a big role in AgTech. Robots can handle tedious tasks like harvesting or milking, freeing up farmers' time and resources for other things. Improved food quality and safety. Precision farming techniques can help ensure consistent quality and reduce the risk of contamination. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Here are some of the coolest AgTech tools transforming the agricultural landscape. 1. Precision farming technologies. GPS and GNSS. These satellite navigation systems guide tractors and other machinery with incredible accuracy, allowing for efficient planting, spraying, and harvesting. Soil sensors. These little wonders gather data on factors like moisture, temperature, and nutrient levels, helping farmers tailor their practices to specific areas of their fields. Drone technology. Drones can capture high-resolution aerial images of crops, allowing farmers to identify problems with pests, diseases, or irrigation early on. 2. Agricultural robots. Robots are taking on a variety of tasks in the field. From planting seeds and weeding to milking cows and harvesting fruits, robots offer tireless assistance and improve efficiency. 3. Vertical farming. This innovative approach involves growing crops in vertically stacked layers indoors, using controlled environments and artificial lighting. It's ideal for urban areas and reduces reliance on traditional farmland. 4. Precision irrigation systems. These systems use sensors and automation to deliver the right amount of water to crops at the right time, minimizing waste and maximizing water efficiency. This is just a glimpse into the vast array of AgTech tools available. From advanced software programs to sophisticated machinery, the possibilities are endless. Of course, no discussion about technology is complete without acknowledging the challenges. Here are some of the hurdles AgTech faces. Cost. Implementing some AgTech solutions can be expensive, creating a barrier for small-scale farmers. Data security. As farms become more reliant on data, concerns about data privacy and security rise. Digital divide. Access to reliable internet connectivity is crucial for utilizing many AgTech tools, but rural areas often lack proper infrastructure. Ethical considerations. The use of genetically modified organisms, GMOs, and large-scale industrial agriculture practices raise ethical concerns about sustainability and the environment. It's important to address these challenges to ensure that AgTech benefits all stakeholders and contributes to a truly sustainable future for agriculture. We've seen how AgTech is revolutionizing agriculture, but what's next? Here are some emerging technologies poised to take things even further. The first one is artificial intelligence. Imagine a farm that can diagnose crop diseases, predict weather patterns, and optimize irrigation based on real-time data. That's the power of AI. AI algorithms can analyze vast datasets to identify trends and patterns invisible to the human eye. This can help farmers make more informed decisions about planting, pest control, and resource allocation. The second is gene editing. Gene editing techniques like CRISPR can create crops with desirable traits like increased resistance to pests or drought. This could lead to more resilient food sources and reduced reliance on pesticides. However, the ethical implications of gene editing require careful consideration. The third is blockchain technology. Imagine a system that tracks food from farm to fork with complete transparency. That's the potential of blockchain technology. Blockchain can create an immutable record of every step in the food supply chain, ensuring food safety and traceability. This can benefit consumers by building trust and allowing them to track the origin of their food. With all this technology, what does the future hold for farmers? The good news is that farmers won't be replaced by robots. They'll become data managers and tech-savvy operators. Farmers will need to learn new skills in data analysis, technology troubleshooting, and using AgTech tools effectively. But don't worry, the core skills of understanding soil health, crop varieties, and the nuances of growing food will always be essential. The future farmer will be a blend of tradition and innovation. Can AgTech help us grow food in a more sustainable way? Absolutely. Precision agriculture techniques like targeted irrigation and data-driven fertilizer application can significantly reduce water waste. Additionally, the development of biopesticides and other environmentally friendly alternatives to traditional chemicals can minimize pollution and promote biodiversity. Wow, that was a whirlwind tour of AgTech, wasn't it? From robots in the fields to AI analyzing data, it's clear that technology is transforming the way we grow food. But the future of agriculture isn't just about gadgets and gizmos. It's about finding the right balance between tradition and innovation, between feeding a growing population and protecting our planet. The future of food is in our hands, literally. By embracing AgTech responsibly, we can cultivate a world where everyone has access to safe, nutritious food. So, what are your thoughts on AgTech? Do you think it's the future of farming? Let us know in the comments below, and if you want to see how technology can heal the planet, then you should check out this video that appears on the screen. Thanks for watching.